Girl, if you're still using Nivea or Olay body lotion on your face and you're wondering why your skin looks dull, darker, and you keep breaking out, well, let me put you on. Not every body lotion you use on your body should ever touch your face. In fact, most of those popular creams are actually damaging your skin barrier instead of giving you that nice glow. Don't worry, because I'm about to put you onto the 10 best brightening and lightening lotions for face and body. So if you're looking for a lotion to use on both your face and body and save cost, go grab a seat because we're about to dive in. Now let's clear this up because most of you keep asking, can I use this lotion on both my face and my body? Well, not every lotion. If you see a product that is labeled body lotions or body creams, please keep it for the body. Body lotions and body creams are always thicker and your face is actually delicate. You cannot be using a thick heavy cream or body lotion on your face. It's strictly meant for your body. Now if that product is labeled lotion without the word body like this, then you can comfortably use it on both your face and your body because most lotions are lightweight and they are safer for both your face and body. Now I know some of you are wondering, what about body milk? Can I use a body milk lotion on my face? The answer is no. Body milk is actually for the body and not for face. If it's labeled a milk or milk lotion, then you can use it on both face and body. Now that we've already cleared all of that up, I know that we all at one point in our life have made that mistake of using a body lotion, body milk on both our face and body. I'm actually guilty of that, okay? And that's exactly why your body is glowing, but you're always complaining that your face is getting darker or is looking rough and not smooth and giving like you would want it to. Honestly, I get it. With this hard economy, a lot of us are looking to minimize cost and get a lotion that can serve for both face and body and save ourselves the stress without sacrificing our skin glow. And that's exactly why I made today's video, to show you body lotions that you can use on both your face and your body without spending much money. So all the lotions I'll be showing you guys can be used on both your face and your body. And the amazing thing about this lotion is there is a lotion for everyone, as long as you want to brighten, lighten, glow, moisturize, and nourish your skin. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Starting off strong, we have this Advanced Purity Vitamin C Brightening Lotion. This is one of the best trendy brightening lotions that you can use on both your face and your body to achieve that nice uniformly toned skin without breaking the bank. If you want to even out your dull skin, brighten up your skin, and tone up your complexion, then this is one body lotion I would recommend you use. It's an amazing body lotion. It contains amazing ingredients like vitamin C, turmeric, that is going to help boost your skin glow. So if you're looking to boost your skin's radiance, use this particular body lotion. Is a lotion that is suitable for all skin types and complexion, as long as you want to tone up or brighten up your skin. The price is currently around 12 to 13,000 naira. So if you can afford to get this, get it, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Moving on, we have this Garnier Vitamin C Brightening Lotion. When you talk about affordable, effective brightening lotion that is going to help nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, soothe your skin, and give you that revived glowy skin, then talk about this lotion right here. This is one of the best body lotions to use on both your face and your body. It serves as both a serum and a moisturizer. It's going to help you moisturize, nourish, and glow up your skin. It can be used on both your face and your body, and it will give you that nicely uniform, smooth, beautiful, glowy skin. It's not a lotion that you will use on your face and your face will start looking dull or start looking darker than your body. It's something that will tone up your skin with time and give you that well moisturized and nourished skin tone. So if you're a student on a budget or you're looking to save cost, then you can go grab this particular one. It retails at the cost range of 7,000 or more, but I don't think it's more than 10,000 naira. It's a really nice lotion. You're going to love it. Next up, we have this Vaseline Daily Brightening Lotion. This is another affordable everyday glow lotion that can be used on both your face and your body. You see this Vaseline product is going to brighten up your skin. Like this lotion right here is a sweetheart. It's one of my favorite body lotion because it's going to help you brighten up your skin, smoothen your skin, and it's so moisturizing and nourishing on the skin. This is one body lotion you can never get tired of using. The fragrance is amazing, the texture is top notch, and everything about it is nice. It contains amazing brightening and nourishing ingredients that is going to uniformly tone up your skin and give you that glowy skin. It's suitable for all skin types and it can be used in your day or night routine to achieve that nice, bright, beautiful, glowy skin. So go give this a try and come and thank me later. Moving on, we have the KOEC Slime Lux Vitamin C Brightening Turmeric Lotion. You see this particular KOEC lotion. This is one lotion that I recently started using, and guys, I really love the effect of this lotion. It's just like a Korean product. It's going to nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, enrich your skin, and give you that nice supple glowy effect on your skin. If you want your skin to be popping, if you want your face and your body to be glowing, go get this KOEC lotion. It's very nice on the skin. I've used up to two of those, and guys, I love the effect on my skin. It's so moisturizing and it's going to help nourish and glow your skin. It can also be applied on your face and body. So if you want a long-term glow, if you want a lotion that you can always use in your routine, both morning and night, to achieve a brighter, glowy skin, then use this. You can use it on both your face and your body, and your skin is gonna be glowing. Moving on, we have the Q Paris Milk Lotion. You see this particular lotion right here. This particular body lotion is a banger. It's a lotion that you can use on both your face and your body. This is going to give you that nicely uniformly toned skin from your head down to your toe. The way your skin is gonna be shining, you're going to love it. It's so perfect. Is a milk lotion and the texture is amazing. You're going to love the effect of this lotion on your skin. It's going to give you that polished glow. So if you really want to smoothen out your textured skin, get rid of all those bumps, evil skin tone and discolorations you have on your skin, and have a uniformly toned skin, then go cop this one. You're going to love it. It's a bit pricey though, but if you're someone that loves luxury, then get this lotion. Just pair it with a nice body soap or body wash or even the shower gel, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Super amazing. Moving on, we have the Cereal White Milk. This is one of my all-time favorite lotion. Guys, this is the body lotion that I was using before I started using the next lotion I'll be showing you guys. And this particular body lotion is amazing. It's not a bleaching cream. It's a lotion that is going to moisturize, nourish, and tone up your skin. This is one lotion that when I was even using it on both my face and my body, my skin was looking absolutely sweet, smooth, silky soft. Anytime my skin comes in contact with my sibling's skin, they will just be like, Omo, your skin is so soft. That's the kind of compliment you're gonna be getting with the Cereal White Milk Lotion. It's amazing and it's so moisturizing on the skin. It can be used both in your morning and nighttime routine to achieve that uniformly toned skin. If you really want to brighten and lighten up your skin, then get this particular Cereal White Milk. Pair it with a nice soap or wash and you're going to enjoy using it. Moving on, we have this Fair and White Vitamin C Lotion. You see this particular Fair and White lotion, it can be used on both your face and your body. If you're someone that loves nice things, girl, this is one lotion I would recommend for you to use. It's not cheap, okay, but if you can afford to get it, your skin will thank you. This is one lotion that will even out your uneven skin tone, clear out your hyperpigmentation, brighten up your skin, and give you that nice glowy skin. The scent is amazing. If you get this particular Fair and White lotion, you're going to love every bit of it. It will nicely and uniformly tone up your skin, and you can use it on both your face and your body to have the same color. It's not a lotion that you will use and your face is gonna be darker than your body. It will give you that nice glowy effect. Okay, if you're out for a lightweight lotion that is not going to feel greasy on your skin, bleach your skin, or make you look like you're bleaching, then go cop this particular one. You're going to enjoy it. Next up, we have this AmLactin lotion. Guys, a lot of you have been questioning me, Judith, can I use AmLactin on both my face and body? Honestly speaking, you can, because it's not a body lotion and the texture is super lightweight. You can actually use it on both your face and your body, but you need to be careful when applying this, because it can actually make your skin to be sensitive. So when you're using it, use it only at night, and ensure you use your sunscreen the next day. Other than that, it can be used on both your face and your body to achieve that bright, beautiful, gorgeous, glowy skin. It contains exfoliating ingredients like lactic acid, and is going to remove all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you a revived or renewed skin. So in other words, it's going to brighten and tone up your complexion. Go grab this if you're battling with a rough or textured skin, and your skin is definitely going to be looking softer and smoother like a baby's skin. Next on my list is the Topicrem Ultra-Moisturizing Milk. You see this particular milk lotion right here? This is an excellent face and body lotion. You can use this on both your face and your body, and it will give you a nicely uniformly toned skin. In fact, this is luxury hydration in a bottle. It's one of the best moisturizing milk lotion out there that is going to give you a perfect uniformly toned skin. If you want your skin to be glowing from head down to your toe, then you can use this. It's a nice face and body lotion. Next on my list is the advanced vitamin C, because I've been getting a lot of questions regarding this advanced clinical brightening cream. Guys, this particular body cream is a brightening cream, but according to the brand, it can be used for your face, your neck, your hands, and your body. So it's a face and body cream. Well, I was actually skeptical, but I needed to try this out. I actually tried using this on both my face and my body during my nighttime routine for 1 week. And sincerely speaking, this was absolutely nice. It did not clog my pores or cause me any breakout. In other words, I would just say, before you get this or use it for both your face and your body, please ensure you do a patch test. Other than that, this is nice. Now, another misconception I would love to clear is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Lotion. See, a lot of people like me, when I was using this, I actually used it on both my face and my body. I actually used it on my face. It was actually good for my face, but I am not recommending it for you to use on both your face and your body. And the simple reason is because it states that it's a body lotion. It clearly states that it's a body lotion. So this right here is not formulated for your face and your body. It's just a body lotion. So always ensure you do a patch test when you're trying to use a body lotion or body cream on your face. Now, if you're more focused on moisturizing, nourishing lotions, because I don't want anyone left out in this video, like I want you to be able to find like a lotion that you can use on both your face and your body. So some of my honorable mentions for moisturizing and nourishing lotions would be the CeraVe moisturizing lotion or the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Of course, you can also use the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream or this E45 Moisturizing Lotion, the Lubriderm Lotion, or the Cetaphil Lotion. Any of this is going to serve for both your face and your body. It will give you that nice glow. When you start moisturizing your skin, you will know that the hidden secret to having a beautiful, nice, glowy skin lies in moisturizing and hydration. You would not want to go back on moisturizing, nourishing, and plumping your skin, because that's the way that your skin is gonna glow. If your skin is not well moisturized, girl, I hate to break it to you, it's not gonna shine. but when it's well and properly moisturized, it will be radiant and glowy. So using any of those brightening, lightening, moisturizing, and nourishing lotions or creams is going to ensure or give you that nice uniformly toned skin from your head down to your toe. Now, before we wrap up today's video, if you really want to maximize your glow, I would definitely recommend you go check out my top 10 brightening and lightening soap video. Guys, pair any of the soap in that video with any of those lotions that I've showed you guys, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Like, those soaps are both face and body. So if you want to see that faster and noticeable bright skin tone on both your face and your body, then you know what to do. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye.